Take it tonight and watch the results in the morning. It's really amazing. Beauty is an increasingly sought-after condition among human beings. It has become an obsession in some people, which has led them to take actions for nothing healthy, all in order to be more beautiful humans. It is no secret that beauty gives you great power as a human being. The problem is that it requires dedication many times, and not everyone has time to go to a gym, diets with strict methods, etc. Women are the gender that is most obsessed with beauty, perhaps because society demands it. For this reason, we bring you a recipe that we call the bomb. A recipe that will help you replace several days of fitness. People are always looking for remedies to achieve their goals, to be fast, effective and easy. The current rhythm of life requires that. Our rhythm of life never slows down, but we all want to be more beautiful. Next, I present this recipe that will help you lower your waist 1 centimeter every night. Ingredients: 1. 2 tablespoons apple cider vinegar. 2. A glass of grapefruit juice. 3. 1 tablespoon honey. How to prepare? You should put a glass of grapefruit juice in a blender. After that you should add a tablespoon of honey and 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Once the ingredients are ready you can proceed to light the blender and mix until you get a consistent liquid. When and how to use it? The pump should be taken before dinner, for at least a week. After that week, take a break.